Hello guys, have you ever wondered how a country is born? Today, we delve into the origins of a nation that emerged amidst controversy, the State of Israel. Our story begins centuries ago, when the region now known as Israel was part of the vast Ottoman Empire. Before start the video, if you are new in this channel for more informative videos and also like the video. Let's start the video. This empire, stretching across 3 continents, held sway over the region for hundreds of years. Then, a global conflict changed everything. World War I brought about the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire, and in its wake, the League of Nations granted Britain the mandate to govern Palestine. This territory included what would later become the State of Israel. The British Mandate period, a time of political change and shifting alliances, would play a crucial role in setting the stage for Israel's creation. This sets the stage for a series of pivotal events that would eventually lead to the creation of Israel. The wheels of change started turning with a single document, the Balfour Declaration. Issued by the British government in 1917, this statement supported the establishment of a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine. This declaration was a critical turning point, marking the first time a world power had thrown its weight behind the Zionist cause. However, it was not just a piece of paper, it had real-world implications. The Balfour Declaration paved the way for increased Jewish immigration to Palestine during and after World War I. This influx continued during the British Mandate period, changing the demographic landscape of the region. Jews, many of them fleeing persecution and seeking a homeland, found a beacon of hope in Palestine. But this migration did not occur in a vacuum. The Arab population of Palestine, who had lived there for generations, saw the increasing number of Jewish settlers as a threat to their own national aspirations. This led to escalating tensions between the two communities, each with their own historic and emotional ties to the land. These tensions did not go unnoticed by the international community. The rising discord between Jewish immigrants and Arab Palestinians was setting the stage for a larger conflict, one that would draw in nations from around the globe. The rising tensions set the stage for international intervention and a decision that would forever change the face of the Middle East. Towards the end of the British Mandate, the United Nations stepped in with a controversial proposal. As tensions escalated between the Jewish and Arab populations, the UN proposed a partition plan in 1947. The plan sought to divide Palestine into separate Jewish and Arab states, with Jerusalem, a city of great religious significance to both Jews and Muslims, under international administration. The partition plan was a deeply contentious proposal. While Jewish leaders accepted the plan, Arab leaders rejected it outright. The Arab community felt that it was an imposition on their rights and an unwelcome endorsement of the Zionist movement. This rejection resulted in the escalation of conflict in the region. The world watched on as the end of the British Mandate approached. When the clock struck midnight on May 14, 1948, a historic event unfolded. David Ben-Gurion, the head of the Jewish Agency, declared the establishment of the State of Israel. This monumental moment was both a cause for celebration and a trigger for war. The declaration was seen as a victory for Zionists who had long aspired for a Jewish homeland. However, for the Palestinians, it signified the loss of their land and displacement from their homes. The creation of Israel didn't just redraw the map, it set the stage for a new chapter in the Middle East, one marked by decades of conflict and contention. Israel's birth was not an easy one. From the moment of its creation, it was embroiled in controversy and conflict. The rejection of the UN Partition Plan by Arab leaders led to the 1948 Arab-Israeli War, which further complicated the political landscape. Despite the challenges, Israel emerged as a sovereign state, albeit with borders that would remain a point of dispute for years to come. With the declaration, the State of Israel was born, but the struggles were far from over. The birth of a nation often comes with growing pains, and Israel was no exception. Following its declaration, Israel found itself under attack from neighboring Arab states in a conflict known as the Arab-Israeli War. The war culminated in armistice agreements, establishing ceasefire lines that became Israel's de facto borders, a situation known as the Green Line. The establishment of Israel is a testament to the power of determination, but it is also a reminder of the deep-rooted conflicts that can arise from divergent national aspirations.